Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to extract the wastewater from refrigerator that gets collected in a tray. So I am using a 5 volt adapter here, charger. This is a Nokia adapter, old adapter. One miniature motor with pipe. This is a female pin to connect to this adapter. This I will be soldering to this. I'll fix this to the motor. Okay. Once this gets completed, we'll just check a demo. The 5 volt adapter was not supported, so I am using a 12 volt adapter here. I'll just turn on the motor. You can see it is running. So here we go. This is the pressure of the water. It can pump up to 3 feet, I guess.